Hello friends. Well, my name is Sunil Ranjan and I am an English teacher. In this video session, I am going to talk about Restoration Comedy. Restoration Comedy is English comedy written and performed in the Restoration period from 1660 to 1710. After public stage performances had been banned for 18 years by the Puritan regime, the reopening of the theatres in 1660 indicated a renaissance or rebirth of English drama. According to George Norman Clark, Restoration drama was immoral. The dramatists did not criticize the accepted morality about gambling, drink, love, and pleasure generally, or try to work out their own view of character and conduct. They mocked at all restraints. The dramatists did not merely say anything they liked, but they also felt proud in it and shocked those who did not like it. Comedies, while popular, were seen as a secondary literary form. However, in the wake of the bloodshed and trauma of the Restoration, comedy was much needed, and it became the most popular form of drama and literature for nearly half a century. The period of Restoration comedy is seen as the high point for literary freedom of expression in England. Censorship under Charles II was loosened. Playwrights in the Restoration period were able to write about romance, courtship, marriage, and sex in ways that would not have been possible earlier. Restoration was a major turning point in the history not only of the English stage but also of European comedy. Although Restoration theatre had come to an abrupt end at the beginning of the 18th century, its attitudes influenced the writings of every major playwright, poet, and novelist writing in English for the next 100 years. Restoration comedy marks the transition and tends to be one of the turning points in the history of English drama. Now, coming to some Restoration comedies. Number 1. Marriage à la Mode in 1673 by John Dryden. Number 2. The Country Wife in 1675 by William Wycherley. Number 3. The Man of Mode in 1676 by George Etheridge. Number 4. The Rover in 1677 by Aphra Behn. Number 5. The Way of the World in 1700 by William Congreve. And number 6. The Recruiting Officer in 1706 by George Farquhar. So here I come to this end of this session on Restoration comedy. Well friends, if you have subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. If you haven't, do subscribe to my channel. And I promise that I'll be coming up with fine videos for you in the time to come. Thank you.